Hi, welcome to Johnny Works. Today I'm going to do a quick impromptu video of how to plug a hole in your tire, because on my way home from work I noticed a nice cling-on my tire, a bolt, looks about that big. So it decided to hitch a ride all the way to my house, and now I'm going to teach you guys how to, if you don't know how anyway, I'm going to teach you how to plug this thing. Pull it out, plug it, and drive on it. Stay tuned. There she is. There's my little cling-on right there. All right, I'm gonna pop this bad boy out and we are going to plug this thing and then we can drive on it. I know that if you have a hole on the side here, that's terrible. Can't really fix those, I guess. You need a new tire, from what I've been told. But I guess anything in the tread is good. Anything in the tread can be replaced. Can be plugged, I should say. All right, first thing that you should do is go to the local car shop, okay? Or a Home Depot or a hardware store or something like that has an automotive section, okay? This isn't the best kit because I don't have a case for it, but they do sell this kit. It's fairly cheap, might be like 8 to 10 bucks, somewhere around there, maybe 12. But they sell a little bit better ones that have a bunch of plugs and patches and all kinds of stuff, but this one is strictly for plugging your tire, okay? This one right here is what you put your plug in, which is these strips right here. These are a bunch of plugs. You put those in here like you're feeding it through a needle, I guess. I don't sew nothing, but I've seen it before. So you put them through here, okay? Once I pull my nail, I'm gonna ream it, okay? So I'm gonna pull this screw out real quick, yank it out, and as fast as I can, jam this thing in the hole, and I'm gonna ream it. I'm gonna go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out a bunch of times, okay? And then I'm gonna take this bad boy and jam it in the hole. All right, jam that bad boy in the hole, grab my knife or some scissors and cut off the extra, and we are done. Through the hole. Feed me, Seymour, through the hole. Left a little bit sticking up, okay? And that'll wear off over time, all right? So next step is to put a little air back in my tire, okay? I'm gonna use this thing right here, okay? It's my little tire thing, just like at the gas station, all right? They do make these, they make better ones. This is just the one I had in my toolbox. They make better gauges that, or actually I should say fillers that have a gauge right on it. So you can make sure that you put the correct amount of air in your tire, okay? Which you can usually find how much PSI you should be putting in your tire, okay? This is what my truck happens to say, 51 PSI, okay? So, you can get a gauge that will tell you when you hit 51, all right? This is my air compressor, okay? Hooked it up, this thing's ready to roll. I've got pressure in there, I got air in there. All right, it could get a little loud, but I'm gonna fill this bad boy back up and we'll be ready to roll. Thanks for watching. Hope this quick video on how to plug a truck tire or a car tire. Help some of you guys out there, and look for more of my videos on Johnny Works. Thanks.